here it is. We are going to acquire this. The location here also we are going to make it as kiosk. Okay. Hope I don't make spelling mistakes here. Yes, here it is. And then we are going to have a work process, and then we are going to release this. Okay, the names are automatically changed. Now, what is going to happen here? We need to set in this kiosk thing as the stuff in there, right? So what we are going to do is we need to modify this. Okay, that what is this our kiosk going to be, because we need to acquire the location. Okay, and we need to then close it. So locations, specific locations, and it is your kiosk. Okay, so we are going to acquire a kiosk where the patient is going to sign in, and then I guess it will be going for a waiting area to be waited off. Okay, so this is how it's going to be out in there. So we need to connect this. Is it here? So we are going to connect this now to the bottom of the process flow, and then these are things are going to be going good ahead. Okay, so we have sign in process flow activities being created. Now what we are going to do is we are going to have another process activity available. So what is that? What we need now is basically we are going to add another activity set, and that is we need it as wait. Okay, so waiting thing we need to have the into the system, right? So if I just drag this walk stuff wait, just look at how these group of activities look like. These are very different, okay, in the thing if you could look at. So this is how all these activities are going to be, looking like what I can say, quite different out in there, right? And that's where the things work greatly. So we need a waiting room tab, because what we're going to do is we are going to ask the patient to visit this kiosk, have something scanning like thing, and then the person is supposed to wait in a process. Okay, he is going to wait in a line. So let us find out that what is that is going to ask us to basically walk, and basically going to acquire a waiting room, walk there, and the stuff is going to be done. So let me just look at process with shafts, 2 shaft escorts, process. Okay, and these are like walk and this. So these are the stuffs, and there are different things. So let us copy this, okay, and paste it here. Okay, and what we are going to do is we are going to rename this to wait. Okay, so here I am renaming this, and where I am going to wait, I am going to wait in the waiting room. Okay, waiting room. So here is my waiting room. Okay, and I'm waiting here, selecting that as a waiting room. The process I'm just going to remove. Okay, and the token is the person, but I need to change this hopefully to token.patient, right? What is that? Because here in the arrival we have changed this to patient, right? So we are supposed to have this as the patient only. And here it is. So let us now first acquire this, then ask the person to walk, and then you're going to have this. Okay, release. Now just let us go to the processes and edit these details. Okay, so we have waiting room. Waiting room has been changed. Okay. Now what we're going to do is, in the process, we are going to have this exponential minutes change to 3 minutes. Okay. This is going to say. So basically by this, what is going to happen is the process time, we are going to change it from 10 to 3 minutes. Okay. Because the process time property determines how long the process should be, taking place in a model time units. Okay. So that is how it is going to work in now. So now let us reset this model and run and check whether that is working for us. Let me just connect these two process flow sets. Okay. I'm just resetting this. I'm just running this. Okay. So I have a person out in here coming in. Okay. At the kiosk. He's doing certain processing out in there. Right. And then once his processing is done, oh my goodness. Once his processing is done, the person is supposed to go to the waiting area. So I'm just adjusting this process flow so we have a bigger look for our 3D environment, right? Here it goes. Okay. And the processing is just about to get completed, guys. And once it is done, I hope that the person will be coming and acquiring the area. And that's going to be done. But the thing is, before, we also need to rename this because this is still kiosk, right? It has to be waiting area. So now let me just reset this, right? And what I'm now going to do, let us rename this waiting room. So it's waiting room. So acquired waiting room. Okay. And then here also acquire waiting room. Okay. So I'm now again resetting. So this is how the model works, guys. So what we have created, to summarize, we have created a glass door we brought in here from the object library in the bottom. Okay. We took in a kiosk, we took in a waiting room. Okay, that is the chairs from the 3D environment, right? Then what we have done is basically, okay, we go in a process flow and we have selected add a person process flow. In person process flow, the first tab was for arrivals. And what we did is we edited here, we selected where the patient should arrive. Okay, that is glass door. We have set it up, right? And then in the person's flow, we created a source where we get in a token, right? And then here we created two activity sets. Okay, and those were taken from the process flow here in the people activity sets. We took in this walk then process activity set, wherein we selected the kiosk. We asked the patient to walk in there, process, scanning, and all that stuff will be done by the patient, right? And then once that is done, the patient is going to come down here in the waiting area and is going to get waited out. Okay, so now let us just reset this and view this from a presentation mode angle, right? I really love 3D environment or 3D simulation models. They really look great. So I am just resetting and running this, guys. Just look at this, doors are open. And now a person is going to type in something, right? Is going to scan up the stuffs. Okay? He's entering his details, getting the billings done. And once that stuffs are done, that person is going to visit our waiting area and going to acquire a chair and going to sit there. Okay, I'll just make this lower now. Okay, and here is our person coming in, guys, and he is now going to sit on the chair, getting it acquired. Okay, so here it is, turning, and now he's going to just look into and just sitting. Just look at the details, guys. I really love this. So here is our person, patient, sitting on a chair, okay, in the waiting room. So we will be soon getting out to the further process flow of the simulation environment, okay, in our next tutorial. So that's all for today, guys. This is an end of the tutorial 6. Let us meet in another tutorial, that is tutorial 7, and there we will be learning how to add staffs. Okay, till now what we have learned is to get in the patients into our simulation environment. Okay, And the next tutorial, we'll be learning adding the medical staffs and there where the patients would be serviced. So I hope you would have liked this video, guys, and you would have learned, something about it from this today's tutorial. Drop us the doubts in the comment section if you have any, and let us know if you're enjoying our videos, guys. So hit a like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. So the assignment for this tutorial is, guys, let me know, that what can be another alternative being used, if you know any, in this process flow. Is there another way of the process flow which we can use in and create this same same purpose process flow? So try it out. Let me know whether you are able to create a process flow without following the process which we did, and let me know in the comment section. So let us meet another interesting video just on your Leansim channel. Thanks for watching.
So welcome to our website beawarechannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is discrete event simulation support, then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have blogs which are literally going to groom your skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your Beaware channel. So here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here, and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our Beaware channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs. So you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events, and you can check our services here for detailed and more informative thing. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly, because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointment. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have an engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also brought you personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on a YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. tips. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for managing your finances, so that you're building a wealth with a strong financial background. So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can explore our content, where we share our views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website beawarechannel.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab, where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share, and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health-related blogs which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger, and happy life. We have organ-related tips here, ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is an overall high-level journey for our beawarechannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness, and many more. It's like having multiple things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our beawarechannel.com website daily, so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves, and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit our website beawarechannel.com. So see you in the next video.